I'm opening my account. Try to something. Good evening. Where are the apps? Introduction, everybody know. I am not entering into introduction. Directly, I am going to implement the application. There, everybody know. First, we need to create one EC2 instance. Check it. Already, am I having or not? There, I may be in OVO. There, I may check. I think I may be terminated. Wherever that is your wish, ma. Maybe shall I go with maybe North Virginia for your easy understanding. In the North Virginia, yeah, one is running. I think who created this? Dev SRB. Maybe it is running, no worries. I'm taking this one as it is, ma. Someone is created, maybe Hemant is created, don't worry. First, I need to check the here web application is running or not. I don't know it is running or not. Now, first I am checking one. There, how can I check? You know, right? Taking this public IP, they're pasting over here. We may check it. Something is it running? I think it is not having a web application. I may connect, maybe possible to connect or not. I think I am not having PEM file. You know it. Maybe someone else having this PEM file. See, establishing connection. Establishing connection. See, why it is not able to connect, everybody can understand, right? What was the problem? Anyone can guess it? Because of it is stating SSH connection failed. That means SSH port publishing may not be there. One reason. Second reason is you may not having PEM file. You may not having in your local PEM file. We may check it more because of we may try to resolve this problem if possible. What can I do? Click on instances. Click on instances. There click on ID. You need to go to your security group. There you may check it. See, even all traffic is there. Maybe check it. All traffic, all is there, but traffic load is there or not. Click on inbound. Click on inbound. You may check it. There edit inbound rules. Even though all traffic is there, even some place security group, I may go for first I am deleting this. I may go to add rule. I am going to take all traffic. All traffic. Now click on all traffic. There anywhere IP4, save, save. From here after what to do? Again go to instances. There click on connect. Again I might try connect. Still it is taking time means yeah connected. No worries. Because of internally our compile is there. I am not connecting with Git bash. That's why it is connecting from AWS itself. Try to understand. It is connecting from AWS itself with the help of browser, not in our local system, not in our local system. Sudo -i I think again someone is trying to connect. I go. Madhavi, good evening. Yeah, good.
Good evening,
Now I
sir.
go for how can I check that HTTPD or Nginx is installed or not? Anyone can guide me the command. RPM, RPM hyphen AQ. What I need to check? Maybe Nginx. No. In the same way, what I need to check? HTTPD. See, both are not available. Both are not available. I want to run a small script. I want to run a small script. How can I run? Just I'm going to cat rather than maybe script script.sh. There I'm adding a small script. There good to go to my downloads. Within my downloads, code is there. Within the code, route 53 is there. Why this? Here also user data only. Here control A, control C, moving to, I think again someone is, yeah, Guna, very good evening after a long time. Maybe 1 week before I have seen. Anyway, no worries. Please continue. Please continue where I am in. I think this prompt. Good. Now what I need to do? I need to copy paste, right? Yes, I am pasting. This is the script, that's all. There control D, what to do? BSH bash and recording. Yeah, continue. It may take 1 minute because of it want to install their HTTPD and also their file will be update. Based on that, we'll get that. Now quickly I am taking public IP. I'm not touching here. I think the same thing only right here. Go to refresh it, refresh it, refresh. Yeah, now it is okay for you. Where I created in availability zone, US East 1C, US East 1C. Because of in Route 53, you need to know where the traffic is going. See, I think many people know I'm giving little clarity. This is the interview question. The MS Paint, see, assume I'm creating one instance or two instances, like this. We are creating, assume target group. My question is like that now. One instance I may create in US East 1, US East 1. One more instance I'm creating in AP South 1, AP South 1. There, after that, I'm asking anyone can guide me. There, I want to create one target group. Such facility is there or not? I'm expecting from. Is it valid? Is it a valid procedure or not? I am talking like this. This is the TG1. This is the TG1 target group one. Is it a valid target group or invalid target group according to our existing knowledge? This is not a new knowledge. This already, if you know load balancer, how to create, how to create target group, everybody know it. But such a facility is there or not? If not there, why? If it is there, no problem. If you say yes, I won't ask any question. Yes or no? I'm audible, right? Mhm. Yes. Here the answer is no. Answer is no. You may ask me why, sir? Answer is no. See, the concept of target group and load balancer will be applicable for only one region. Only one region. Here, how many regions are there? US East is one region, AP South is another region. For two different regions, two instances, I'm not able to combine, I'm not able to connect. This is look like an intercaste marriage, but in real time, maybe possible or not. AWS people never accept this scenario. AWS people never accept this scenario. How they will accept? AWS people, what they will say, suppose if you are using Route 53, if you are using Route 53, Route 53, there we can able to communicate, we can able to communicate with, say, this facility is there. This is one instance is running from one region, one more instance is running from another region. Am I able to communicate? Yes, as a Route 53 is able to communicate either may this or maybe this. Simply we can say this concept is for which concept? Target group, and also I'm writing here load balancer. Load balancer is applicable for single region. Is applicable for single region. Route 53 is the concept is applicable for is able to communicate with multi-region. I hope little clarity you got it or not. Guna, have you understood what I am trying to say? This concept is applicable for this is multi-region. Multi-region means here in AWS we may able to see 30 plus regions are there. Maybe Mumbai, Singapore, Stockholm, like that. This is the multi-region. Multi-region. If theoretically clear, I am going to implement that concept. I am going to implement that concept. One more thing. What is the main power and purpose of Route 53? This one also you need to understand. We can able to manage multi-regional failure. Multi-regional regional failures. This is a very, very powerful concept. Here, see, even I am having 10 targets, even I am having like this, 10 targets are there. What is the problem here? Just like I am going by bus, you are also in the same bus. Maybe someone is else also in the same bus. See, bus got breakdown or bus having some problem, all will struck here only because of we are in the same bus. We are in the same bus here. But in Route 50, the concept not like that. We are moving in different vehicles. See, there three people are there in assume three instances look like here. See, one, two, three like that. Three are there in one area. Again, three are there in the some other area. Some other area. At least my target, maybe same application. Here in three instances are there. Here also three instances are there. This is in different region. This is in different region. What is the specialty here? See, there I may go with there maybe primary here. Assume primary concept is this is a powerful concept. This is the second. This is the second. See, very first, my Route 53 will target for primary instances. Unfortunately, primary will fail. How can you say primary will fail? Based on the health check. Based on the health check. Health check. If health check is fail, my Route 53 never communicate with primary. It will automatically redirect it to secondary. This is nothing but disaster recovery. This is nothing but disaster recovery. SEDR, disaster recovery. They are asking in interview how to maintain disaster recovery with the help of Route 53 only possible to maintain disaster recovery. Okay, very first concept, I may go with the disaster recovery only because of this is the only concept maybe people are using in the real time. The remaining are for understanding purpose. Maybe latency is there. Those things also we'll discuss now. Theoretically clear, right? Shall we go and implement it? No. If I want to work with this, I need to create one more EC2 instance in another region. Just now where I created instance, please respond in US East 1C. One more instance I want to create in another region, not available to Zonma, another region. Go to take the new tab there what I am able to do. Now I may enter into shall I go with Mumbai? I am going to Mumbai. In Mumbai, quickly I am launching one EC2 instance. There you know it. There Mumbai EC2. I am giving the naming convention. There common. This is also common. There maybe key, Mumbai key. There click on create key pair. I am quickly creating. Everybody know this procedure. There I am going to there see this is our that script. Maybe very easy to understand. This is only shell script. No need to talk much more on this. Click on. But here you need to check for What about port publishing? I think by default SSS only be there. SSH only be there. First, once it is created, I am entering into this. I'm entering into this. First, refresh. You may able to click on here. First, you need to enter into security group. Security group. Which security group here? I think 18. Click on here. You may check it. Only 122 is maybe port published. Now click on edit inbound rules. I need to add two more or else very simple way. Add rule. I'm taking, where is that? All traffic in front of you only. There, this one. Very easy to manage this. Now quickly copying public IP, their instances. There, click on instance, take the public IP. There again, I'm checking is it properly working and where it is created and where it is created. Now see AP South 1B, AP South 1B. I hope up to here anyone facing any difficulty or any clarification is needed. I hope no, right? What Subbu? Till now clear, right?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Now what I need to do, what I want to do. See, very simple, very simple. I'm taking one more new tab, duplicate tab. For that name, I'm giving route 53. I'm giving the naming convention here. I'm taking route 53. See, scalable DNS and a domain name. What about registration? Click on here. Already our name got registered. See, this is my posted zone. This is my leave about this health check. This is my experiment in front of you. Again, I may do my posted zones. My posted zone means I am configuring my domain. I am configuring my domain at least my 1 hour before. At least I need to configure. In front of if I do, again I need to wait 1 more hour because of it may take refresh after 1 hour only. Sometimes it may take for 24 hours also. This concept I may not able to do in front of you. Maybe if you buy a domain, if you want to configure, if you want to know it, please buy it. If any doubt is there, try to interact with me. I can able to do in front of. Suppose if you may buy, you may give it to me. Maybe today I may add. From tomorrow onwards, we may work on that. Very simple. Click on here. Click on here. See, first what I said, ma, we want to work with their multi-regional failures. How can you work with? See, first it may not able to create directly. I may show you what it may happen. Now click on here, click on here. See, it is expecting online classes shop. This is my domain. This is my domain. I'm creating one subdomain, maybe fail over. See, I'm taking FAL, fail over scenario, fail over. See here, what I need to paste here, I need to paste IP address. Which IP? You tell me. My traffic is moving to Mumbai or my traffic wants to move to North Virginia. Anyone respond? I am giving first priority to either Mumbai or North Virginia. That is our wish. Mumbai. Anyone? Mumbai. Shall I give my access to Mumbai or maybe North Virginia? Subbu, you tell me. That is our wish. We can set. My request will move to either Mumbai or North Virginia. Based on your wish, I can implement it.
North Virginia, sir.
North Virginia. North Virginia means I need to enter into North Virginia EC2 instance. See, I'm in United States, North Virginia. Take this public IP, Subbu. Take this public IP. What I'm going to do? I'm adding here. I'm adding here. Step one is clear for you. Just see, when do you go for the old concept of alias? See, if you create a load balancer, then only we can go with. I didn't create load balancer, but I can do same stuff. See, what was the problem if you create load balancer? Again, you need to pay more. Why should I pay more? Is it okay for you? Good. One more thing. Why in real time they don't want to go to IP? See, IP will change, right? See, unfortunately, if I restart my If I stop and start my EC2 instance, IP will change. This IP may different. That's why either you may create elastic IP or you may create load balancer. For elastic IP, no need to pay. For load balancer, we should pay. Anyway, leave about. Why? One more thing. I'm having multiple instances. For that multiple instances, I may create target group. From the target, I may create load balancer. Is it okay for you? Anyway, that concept everybody know. Now, quick observation. This is the TTL, time to live. How much time it may fix our IP. Even see, assume, try to understand. I'm giving 3600 seconds. Try to understand the scenario very carefully. See, if I do like this, assume, unfortunately, if I create a record, our route 53 will remember this IP up to 1 hour. Even though if we change IP, it can remember only existing IP only. Are you understanding the concept? See, if I go with the 30 seconds assume, it can remember this IP for 30 seconds. Again, it may check for new IP is there or not. New IP is came or not. New IP is came or not. For every 30 seconds, it may check. If modified, it may take modified. If not modified, it may go with existing only. So go. Is it understandable?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
నేను 1 hour పెట్టేశాను అనుకుందాం. 1 hour ఈ ఐపీని మాత్రమే గుర్తుపడుతుంది. ఈ 1 hour లోపల మీరు కానీ ఐపీ చేంజ్ చేస్తే ఇట్ మే వర్క్ విత్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఐపీ. ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఐపీ కోసమే ట్రై చేస్తుంది కానీ కొత్త ఐపీని రికగ్నైజ్ చేయలేదు, విచ్ ఈస్ అవర్ రౌట్ 53. అందుకోసం టైం టు లివ్ ఎంత పెడతామంటే ఈవెన్ మీరు నార్మల్ బ్రౌజర్స్ లో చూడండి 120 seconds ఇలా పెట్టుంటారు. అండ్ ఎవ్రీ 120 seconds ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఇట్ మే గో అండ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ ద టార్గెట్. హే టార్గెట్, ఆర్ యు రెడీ? If not ready, again it may go on start. This is the standard procedure. Anyway, in our scenario, I'm taking 30 seconds only. 30 seconds only. I hope you got it. You know A record. A record means there our system having IPv4 address. IPv4 address. Now our main concept is, please observe here, I'm directly going to failover scenario. See what you need to understand in failover 30 seconds. See, failover record type is primary. This is good only. But name is, I am giving P. ID is nothing but any name. Any name you can give. Maybe PRI, MDRY, primary. Good. See here, health check ID. Till now, is there any health check ID? No, that is there for existing. Someone else, not your name is there. But we need to create our own health check. We need to create our own health check. You may ask me, why should you create health check? Based on the health check, if health check pass, it may go on target our North Virginia. If health check fails, it will go on target with other resource. First, we need to go for creating health check. Again, I am going one step back. Their health check. Click on health check. You may ask me, how can I create a health check? This is very simple. Again, we are taking that IP, we are creating health check. Yeah, I am removing existing one. Otherwise, you may confuse, right? There I am removing, select it, there delete it. CONFIR, confirm. See, in front of you, I am creating health check. It is asking enter name, maybe NV North Virginia. Purpose I am creating. See, endpoint. Many times we discussed, even if we create a RDS is provided on endpoint, right? Are you agree with me? There we have seen look like a HTTP colon something. Same way. Your endpoint is nothing but based on the IP address. Till now, there is no domain name. Domain name in the sense, don't think this is the load balancer name. This is the load balancer name. Here I am working with endpoint with IP address. See, HTTP is communicating with our IP address. This is the look like. You know, which is our IP? Please respond. This is about United States, North Virginia, public IP. Public IP. Where I need to paste? Here I need to paste. See, one more thing. If I don't paste here, observe carefully. IP colon, what was there? 80. HTTP default port number is what? 80. Unfortunately, you may configure with 81. You must provide here 81. That you need to remember. No one can tell. We need to understand like that. Anyway, we'll go think positively because of we created with 80 port only, 80 port only. Now nothing will be happen. Simply you may create health. Now it may take 1 minute. It may take 1 minute. There again I am clicking health checks. Health checks. You may see whatever you created, we can able to see in the single row. See status is in last 24 hours. Nothing. Just now only we created. Now see here is unknown. We may see after a minute. After a minute healthy. You need to wait up to that. We want to work with these concepts. Patience is required. See, are you able to see the my resource is healthy or not? Please observe. Once it is healthy, you may ask, sir, how can I know is it really healthy or not? Please observe here having this is please copy this. Please copy this. We can check it once again. Control C. Here we are taking there and paste it over here. You can able to check is it really working or not. Yes. Is it okay for you? Good. Now hereafter, actually I'm in here, right? Go to where ma? Posted zones. Now quick guidance. There online class dot shop. Now well known thing. Create a record. Create a record. Once you tell me there what shall I do? I need to paste my public IP or control V. This one you know it. Same IP. Same IP. Without protocol. Is it okay for you? What I took? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. What I did, what I took, fail over. Fail over. Here, observe carefully. If I drop down, I may see. This is the important thing. Now choose type. Which type of I want to set it? Primary. Primary. There I am taking PM primary. Some name. Add another record. You may ask me, why are you adding another record? If primary fails, where should I go? If primary fails, where should I go? Secondary. That's a for that. Again, what is the domain name? I took my subdomain name here. What is the name? Oh, I didn't give any name here. Maybe this is what about FIL fail over fail over. Same name I need to provide. Same name. Don't change. Don't change any naming convention where I need to give here also fail over. FAIL or I need to copy paste. Otherwise, I may do typo error. Control C. Control C. There you need to give Control V. Is it okay for you? What shall I give here? Please respond. I need to give whose IP ma? There Mumbai. Asia Pacific Mumbai. This is the public IP. This is the public IP. Now going to here. This one is very simple. Now there also TTL time to live 30. Now observe here what I selected fail over. Here also same thing you need to select fail. See for second one I no need to check health. Even if you want it you can check also that is not a problem. See if primary fails where should I go? Very simple. See my see I want to go for shopping. That shop is not available. I may go some other shop. I need to buy something in the same way. Now guide me here. No need to go for health check. Here is what is that? Secondary. There I may give secondary. Yes, you see. I hope I configured everything. And now here anyone facing any difficulty? Quick question. Quick question from your side. How many there I'm taking here, observe, add another. Where only two areas are there. One is the primary part, another one is the secondary part. For first part, I need to set health check. Why? If health check is failed, then only I need to move to secondary. This is our aim. Now, shall I click on create a record? If everything is fine, record may create, it got created. Yes, good. Now, how can I know? See, you're feeling you may have a doubt. You may go with first one, maybe primary. You may go with second one, maybe secondary. Maybe your wish is selecting first. No, I am selecting second one also. Selecting second one. See, name is common, right? Our feeling is what? This belongs to secondary, this belongs to primary. No, one common name may communicate with either may primary or secondary. Now, take this, take this. I'm going to paste it over here. Now we may check really it is working or not. Now fail over online class.shop. Check it first. Where it is going, everybody. So go according to our theme, according to our aim, according to our final goal is what? To whom I want to communicate? To whom? According to our scenario, primary. What is the primary instance? Where it is created? Where it was there? North Virginia one. You may ask me. Suppose even I am giving same thing for you, everybody will get North Virginia only. Please check it. I am going to our class where I am pasting for you. I'm expecting from anyone, maybe, are you getting Mumbai or not? Everybody will get only North Virginia only. Please check it and confirm. Then only we'll move to next continuation. You're able to see US East 1C only, everybody.
Yes, sir. Same.
Yeah, good. Now, Puna may ask me, no, no, no. I am very interested in Indian access from, but I don't want to see US East. I want to see AP South. AP South. You may ask me, how can I get? See, now I'm going to here. I want to check for health check. Please observe health check. Wh- Up to whenever it may become healthy. See, it may be healthy. Observe here. Is it healthy or not? If it is healthy, you never move to AP. You must move to, see, I want to convert like unhealthy. I want to convert like unhealthy. You may ask me, how can you convert unhealthy? Simply moving to North Virginia. I am in North Virginia, right? Yes, sir. Then I am moving to, then I am moving to security group. In that security, select security group, edit inbound rules. Here, see, all traffic is there, right? Simply I am deleting. Save rule. What does it mean? HTTP communication there or not there? Not there. HTTP communication is removed. If communication got removed after 1 minute, health check may fail. First, you need to check it is healthy or unhealthy. Then only we can go to browser. Now going to here, I think I saved, right? Please observe. That is important. After removing, maybe generally we may remove HTTP only because of there I took, what is that? Their full traffic, I removed everything. I removed everything. Now what to do? Go to where ma? Go to their health check. There you may refresh. Even you need to wait up to unhealthy. It may take 1 to 3 minutes. See, generally, I may check somewhere North Virginia is there, right? I think which is US East one, right? I may refresh it. See here, communication fails. Once your communication fails, there also health check may fail. Industry standard minimum, it may take 5 minutes. Yeah, now here it got fails. Now in the same way, Route 53 also. Yeah, now unhealthy. Are you observing? If it is unhealthy, see which is unhealthy here, primary or secondary? Primary is unhealthy. Now where should I go? Go to here, observe. If I refresh, what it may happen? See, I'm going to AP South 1. So in this concept, is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, well organized. Only for two, primary and secondary. One primary, one secondary. Good. The secondary is the disaster recovery. Primary is nothing but in general. Now, in the same way, first I am trying to give their routing types. They are going to here, their hosted zones. There, click on here. I may give simple clarity regarding that. Create a record also. See, first I am giving drop down simple routing. See, what is the meaning of simple routing? Either one target group may contain multiple EC2 instance. Think like a load balance. Think like a load balance. Or maybe only one instance. See, this simple routing communicate with a single region. It never communicate with multiple regions, only one region. But in real time, purpose is not for single. This is the testing purpose. Or maybe where our company is maybe very simple company, or maybe startup company that is located in maybe one country. That is located in one country. At that time, simple routing is suitable. Our branches are available not only India but also US and UK. At that time, you go for remaining all for multi. Or now you go for, shall I go for weighted? Now that leave that one. Don't worry. Now I am going for weighted. Now how to work with weighted? See, first of all, here nothing is there. I am giving weighted means W. Very simple word. There I need to paste which IP? That may be either maybe first one US East one, right? US East. There again, what shall I do? I need to provide security group. Otherwise, it won't work, right? I need to configure that security. Here nothing is there. Inbound rules. Inbound rules. Now go to add rule. Which one? All traffic, right? All traffic. Now save. Once it is established, you need to check. That is very, very important thing. Here manual it is not working. There is no use of that. Now everything is fine, right? Now good to go here. Now quick observation that I need to paste public IP, right? Public IP. Where is that? This one only? I think this one. No, here I think this one. Copy this, public IP. Copy it. They're going to here, paste it. Here what I need to remove? There is this step also clear, I think. Now what shall I do? Select weighted. You may ask me what is the use and purpose of weighted? See, I'm having according to I'm going to MS Paint, try to understand here. Control N, data. See, I am I am the route 53. I am the route 53. Can you go this diagram? I am the route 53. This is I'm using route 53. Okay, leave about this diagrammatic or maybe, yeah. Good. If the route 53, here I'm having that is the US East one. This is the AP South one. AP South one. This is instance one. This is instance two. This is also EC2. This is also easy. See, I'm giving access to my end users. Maybe very first request, it may go for it. Maybe very second request, it may go here. This is our intention. Whether it may get it from this EC2, our application may get it from this EC2. Simply, I'm giving my traffic, I'm giving my traffic to 50% to these instances. 50% traffic I want to give. Here also 50% traffic I want to give. I think how many of you know the canary deployment? See, blue-green you have seen, blue-green deployment and canary deployment. Anyone can quick guidance? What is the difference between blue-green and canary deployment? In blue-green deployment, here this blue version, this is the green version. This is the blue version, this is the green version. Or you may think that is your wish. This is blue, this is green. Now, blue assume this is the old version. Version one, version. See, end users are targeting to version one. After 1 month, same end user wants to target to version. Just like this is primary, this is secondary. Here primary fails, secondary according to or route 53. But according to blue green what? See, version 1 is accessed by end users, no problem. After 1 month, same version 2 wants to access by other all the users. See, we are giving, see, first I am giving through deployment, I am giving the label one, that is the version one. Maybe after 1 month, which deployment I want to access, that is the version two. In blue-green deployment, only one version can able to access either maybe V1 or maybe V2. That is your wish, anyone only. In blue-green, at a time, only one deployment only you can able to access with the help of blue-green. If blue over green, if green over, you may go to blue. That is the naming convention. There is no specific rule. Blue is old, green is latest. We are thinking like that. That is the standard. But in Canary, not like that. In Canary, not like that. In Canary, what happens? I need to specify the traffic. I need to specify the traffic. How can I specify traffic? Here I want to give, suppose see, here 10% traffic I want to give. Here 30% traffic I want to give. Remaining how much is there? Remaining,
60%.
see 30 plus 10, 14. Remaining 60% I want to give traffic to some other like this. Try to understand. This is, I'm setting traffic. I'm setting traffic. What is the advantage here? Three versions we can able to access. Some people are accessing version 1 application. Some people are accessing version 2 application. Some people are accessing version 3 application. Version 3 application. See, this is the latest one. This is the latest one. We are giving 60% access. 60% access. This is the little bit older. They are accessing 30% access. This is very old. At least assume, according to our scenario, if it is not working, maybe people may go there. If it is not working, at least some people may access our application without any disturbance, without any zero downtime. They can able to access our application. Same procedure I'm applying. See, I'm redirecting our traffic to either maybe US East one or maybe AP South one. In previous failover scenario, what I did, I fixed it. A first priority goes to US East. Second priority only goes to AP South. Now, according to weighted, not like that. I am giving access to both. I am giving access equal priority. That is your wish. Here I may set for AP South 90%, US is 10%. That is your wish. Anyway, in our scenario, I am giving 50-50 priority. How can I give? How can I give? See, weighted, good. I am giving 30 seconds. What I am going to take my weighted. Now it is expecting. Now it is expecting. See, wait. See, I said 50 here. This is the 50% traffic I want to give. Health check. If you want it, you can give. I am giving health check. If you don't want to give, no, leave it, no problem. Now, good. There, this is wait one I am giving. W1, that is our wish. Add another record. You know what to do here? The word name what I took, our domain name W only, right? Here also you need to give W only. W only. Now see which IP I need to provide here. AP South. AP South. Where is this AP South? I hope this one only. See Asia Pacific. Now you need to see the IP addresses difference. Otherwise, no use. That is different IP. See, this is different IP. Different IP. Now quick guidance. There, this is also which one I need to check. Select weighted. Now, how much percentage I want to provide? 50%. How much seconds I want to give? 30 only. There, this is W2. W2. What is the thing here? Once it is created, I may take that URL, that domain name. There I am taking anyone, no worries. Now select it. I am pasting over here. What happening? Observe. Control V. Even I am giving after getting output, I may give to you. You may check it. For one time, you may get see. I am getting very first AP South 1B. Again, I may refresh. What may happen? See, if I refresh, I am able to see another one. Still not getting. Maybe I may give to you. You may try. You may try. You may get another one. The traffic will move to another. Maybe here 4 or 5 members are there. Maybe some people may get AP South. Some people may get US East. US East. I am providing for you. Everybody check it. Respond based on that. We'll see it. Enter. Just. I think what was the problem? I didn't give proper URL. Only you need to add the HTTP colon something, or it may work for you. You may try. Is it really working or not? Anything goes wrong? See, I got AP South 1B. Maybe their Anvesh got US East 1C. What about others?
So I got the south only, sir.
Yeah, you got South only. What about some other?
Sir, I also got South.
AP South only. What about Guna? They're only here who is Anvesh only got US East one. Maybe I may refresh. I may refresh what happened. Yes. See, I'm getting at least US East one. You may understanding, right? See, 50% traffic. First request is moving to maybe AP South. Even you may try. You may get again opposite. Opposite. Again, I'm requesting. See, at least you may check for every 30 seconds because of it may recognize that 30 seconds that TTL I provided, right? It is changing or not, that I am asking to you. Maybe after some time, at least you may leave at least 30 seconds, then you may refresh. In my screen, you have seen both outputs. Like that, in your screen are able to see different outputs, yes or no. I may refresh once again, or else I am copy pasting in different browser. That I am taking incognito window. In your screen only, you want to see two different outputs. Then only we can move to other routing. See, again, I am getting AP South 1B. Are you understanding or not? I will take one more. There, incognito window, control V, control V. There I may refresh after 30 seconds. I may wait for some time. Are you not able to get, are you getting same output or a different output? Going to browser. I'm expecting from your answers. Is it changing or not? It will
Sir,
change.
in the same browser, it didn't change, sir. If I go with new cognito, then it is change.
Okay, whatever it is it changing or not? If it is there, then only it will change. Suppose if I remove health, if I remove, suppose there which one? There in security group, if I remove which one, the port publishing 80, again you may get one output only. You may get one output only. That is a fixed output. Because of one region only having access, other region may fail. Here two regions having access, maybe this is 50-50. 50 means, see, if you provide 100 requests continuously, 50 will go to one area, again 50 will go to another area. You may ask, sir, if I am refreshing 10 times, 10 times may go to only one region only. That is not a problem. For every request, it may not move to another region. If 51 request is there, it may go to another region. 50 request from one region, some other 50 request from some other region. Like this, you need to think. Is it okay for you? Understood or not? Good. Now I am going to
Yes.
one more one. Now I am going to here show you. Based on your asking, I may implement. Based on your asking, I may implement. Click on create record. Click create record. We may try in that one. Here, so many things are there. First, I'll tell you, maybe in reality, what they are using mainly. Weighted people are using, geolocation they are using, latency they are using, failover they are using, and geo proximity they are using. Even what about multi-value answer also they are using. Rarely they are using IP based. Rarely they are using IP based. Okay, you may ask, no, no, sir, first tell me IP based also, no problem for me. I can implement that one. Now you may just anyone ask me based on that I can move. Remaining you may try it. You may try it. There we'll think on what about based on your error. I will guide you. I will guide. But overall, see this is the geolocation is there. Where is the geolocation? Because of people are using nowadays. This is the geolocation concept. Why they are using geolocation concept? I may quickly guide you. Windows key or again MS Paint. MS Paint. MS Paint. Yeah, yeah. Now spell mistake. Yeah, MS Paint. See, this is the geographical area. Think like this. This is the geographical area. Try to understand this one. Here, assume I am the person. I am belongs to India. Assume I am the person belongs to India. You are the person belongs to US East one. Try to understand. Where I am available, I am the part of India. That means I am the person. I am the person. I am available here. Is it? Are you agree with me? I am not the part of US East. Is it okay for you? Geolocation concept I am talking. Geolocation concept. See, even though I may take US East one, I may take Mumbai. I am staying where, according to geo, I am staying in India. 100% my request is going to AP South only. My request is moving to AP South. My request never goes to where my request never goes to US East one. Assume. Unfortunately, maybe Monica staying in, maybe according to our class, she is staying in maybe US. Tomorrow you may be in US. If you run our application 100%, you may see the output US East one. Why you are seeing US East one? Based on the geolocation. My concept is clear or not, Subbu? Where you are staying, where you are staying, based on that only you can get it. You are staying where? In India. That's why you may get Mumbai related activity. If you're really staying, maybe if your friend, maybe try to give our URL to anyone is staying in maybe other than India, they may get 100%. maybe US East 1 because of they are not belongs to India. See, you and me all are staying in India. Even though I may given access to US East 1, you will never able to see the output if you use geolocation. Why? Proximity. Proximity means that is the area where I am in. I am in only Indian geolocation. Concept is clear or not? In the same way, you may ask another thing also. I may try to explain, then I can implement at least. See another protocol, see another protocol, another routing policy. Maybe try to ask me. I may try to explain those things. Anyone other than this? Latency. You want to see latency? Yes. My latency and geolocation little bit same. Why? I am staying in India. My latency, my delay is very less. My delay is very less. Suppose I want to communicate to this one. This latency means delay. Here delay is more, here delay is less. Less delay will work fast, more delay will work later. Are you understanding or not? Based on the delay. Based on the delay in the sense, if less delay, it will work. If more delay, it won't go. It won't go. Is it okay for you? See, I want to go to Tirupati to Hyderabad. There are so many trains are there. I may choose less time. Maybe I want to start here 7:30. At morning 5:30, I may. What about my what about destination? Some trains are there. Here they may start at 5:30. There they may. What about destination? May move to morning 8 o'clock. Which one I will choose? Generally, less time. Same thing. That is also latency. Latency. Is it okay for you? Good. Any other one you want to understand? See, big companies are using multi-value answer, ma. Big companies are using multi-value answer. What is the specialty in multi-value? Please observe here. See, I am working with, this is region 1, IP is there. Region 2, IP is there. Region 3, IP is there. What is the specialty here? Observe. See, this IP, this IP, this IP, I am taking 3 IPs, try to understand. 3 IPs, IP1, IP2, IP3, all are configuring here. What is the specialty here? I am the end user. I am the end user. Assume somewhere I am there. I am able to communicate with this. At least SEMA. It may connect. It may connect. It may connect. See, the advantage is there, right? Unfortunately, this one fails. It may either go. It may take from application from here, application from here. You can able to see multiple IPs. See, in one group, I'm adding multiple IPs. Is it okay for you? That is the multi. That is, the word meaning of multi means more than one, more than one. This is one of the special feature they provided. Way of access is common. You must get one application. You don't know where you are getting from. You may get it from either this or this or this. This is nothing but multi. Any other? Will you try for remaining things? If any difficulty, ask me maybe before going to another one. Before going to another one. Now, quickly I may go to CNAME. Quickly I may go to CNAME. See, till now, we used one something, which one? Maybe there I am going to observe CNAME. CNAME, there, selecting CNAME. Before applying CNAME, see www.example.com. Domain name you need to mention. Suppose already we are having some domains, right? Please observe which domains. www is there not? www dot, what is that? Online class. What is w dot weighted? W dot online class. What is that, ma? Dot spelling observe correctly. Stop. Is it okay for you? For this, what is the alias name you want to get it? My alias name is W E-I, spelling correct only, weighted. W-I-G-H-T-E-D. Weighted. Weighted. What happening you may see. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. I am taking 300. Here only one domain I want to create. Maybe simple routing, no problem for us. There I am going to click, what is that? Create routing. What it may happen. See, what is the alternative name for w.onlineclass.shop? What is the alternate name? Weighted dot something, you may check it. Is it really working or not? How can I check? This is the C name. What does it mean of C name? Canonical name you need to tell. What is the meaning of canonical name? Alias name for existing. If existing works, then only it will work. If existing is removed, there is no use of this. I hope selecting this, you may take this. Now try to run on this. Control B. Check it. Is it really working or not? Are you able to see the output? Again, I am telling, if I am existing, I can see my image in the mirror. Why? I am the object. I am the object. I am standing in front of the mirror. Mirror image is nothing but alias name. Monica got it? Mirror image name is alias. Quickly you may go for there AA. What it is? AA. There I may go for already it is there, right? Now create record. There I may go for see route traffic. We may try. What it is expecting? IPv6. Now what will you do, ma? Like this you want to do? At the time of creating an instance, which IP you need to select? IPv6 IP. Are understanding or not? Will you try it? Or else you may ask me first I may complete IPv6 only, then I'll move to another topic. Is it clear for you? If you must have IPv6, then only it may work. Otherwise, no use of this. Okay. Anyway, try it. Or else tomorrow morning. Markonda sir, when will you take? 9:30 to 10:30, Markonda sir will take my 9:30 to 10:30. Evening, from tomorrow evening, I may take 1.5 hour session. Maybe here also it may take nearly 4 minutes extra, right? Similarly, I may take maybe assuming 1.5 hour, maybe 1 hour 20 minutes, or maybe up to 1 hour. At least minimum 1 hour 15 minutes I may take. Tomorrow, maybe after completion of which one? Their IPv6, then only I can move to maybe CloudWatch or maybe VPC. See, VPC is mandate for to working with the Terraform because of if you got clarity from my side, Markondas or whatever he says, you can easily understand. He will also tell how to work with, but first you learn properly. Then see, if you know very well about manual, then only you can go for automation. Otherwise, no use of automation. Otherwise, no use. That's what I am telling. Please try to practice properly. If any difficulty, reach me. I can guide you. Thank you. Thank you, Subbu. Is it clear for you? I hope I'm winding the session. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow.